In this video, I'll guide you through how to contact Agoda customer service. If you've run into an issue with a booking, a payment, or just need clarification about something on your reservation, knowing exactly where to go inside your account can save you a lot of time and frustration. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly get to the right support options without clicking around aimlessly. First, make sure you are logged into your Agoda account. This is important because Agoda's support tools are tailored to you only when you're signed in. When you're logged in, Agoda can automatically pull up your bookings, your payment details, and your account preferences. That means the help options you see will be more relevant, and if you end up contacting support, they'll be able to recognize your account and assist you much more efficiently. So before doing anything else, sign in with your usual login method, then confirm you're on your main home dashboard. Once you're logged in and on the home dashboard, the next step is to scroll down the page. Don't worry if you don't see a help or support option right away near the top. Agoda often places these sections a bit further down. Use your mouse or trackpad on a computer or swipe up on your phone to move down the dashboard slowly. As you scroll, you'll pass through sections related to your bookings, recommendations, and sometimes promotional content. Keep going until you find the Help Center section. This is usually clearly labeled, so look for text that mentions Help or Help Center. It might be grouped with other account-related links, but the wording should make it stand out as the place to go when you need assistance. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right area before clicking, especially if your screen is busy with a lot of different boxes and options. Within the Help Center section, you'll see an option for customer service. Select that. This is the key step that takes you from general help resources into the specific area dedicated to contacting Agoda. Tapping or clicking customer service will open a page or panel that focuses on your support options rather than generic FAQs or guides. After you choose customer service, Agoda will show you information on how to contact them. Depending on your region and the type of issue, this page may include several different ways to reach out. You might see options like messaging through the website or app, requesting a callback, or using a help form connected to a particular booking. Take a moment to review what's available and choose the method that works best for your situation and your urgency. If your question is tied to a specific reservation, it's a good idea to have your booking details visible so you can reference them quickly while you're getting support. And that's all you need to do. By signing in, scrolling down to the Help Center, choosing customer service, and then reviewing the contact information provided, you'll be able to reach Agoda's support team in the most direct and efficient way.